As you can understand that this is a 207 years old museum. And Indian Museum is a multi-purpose museum and the oldest museum of Asia. As this is a multi-purpose museum, we have collections from scientific area as well as cultural era. In scientific section, we have geology, zoology, and botany. And in cultural part, we have art, archaeology, and anthropology. In the scientific part, we do not have any administrative control over the artifacts. They are with the respective surveys like Geological Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, and Zoological Survey of India. When we are talking about the cultural part, which is art, archaeology, and anthropology, we have around 108,000 objects, and out of which we are displaying only 6% of our total collection. We have a conservation department. So the curator of this particular section, like art, archaeology, and anthropology, with the help of the conservation unit, they are taking care of all our artifacts, display portion and the reserve portion. And when we are coming to the maintenance part of the building, as the Indian Museum is a grade 1 heritage building, so the annual maintenance contract is with the CPWD. So they are doing all this kind of restoration and renovation of this present museum building. As you all know that in 1814, the Danish botanist Dr. Nathaniel Wallich, he has proposed to the Asiatic Society that we need to create a cultural space, a museum. And he has also suggested that he wants to donate the replica. He has some kind of object, so he wants to donate all the thing. And he wanted to be the honorary curator. And Dr. Nathaniel Wallich submitted this proposal to the Asiatic Society on 2nd February 1814. And that has gladly accepted. From that time, the museum movement has started. The first it was like Imperial Museum, as you all know. Then Asiatic Museum, and then the Indian Museum, Kolkata. There are so many museums because, in fact, all the surveys like Archaeological Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, so they have started their journey from Indian Museum only. Yes, as I already mentioned, that this is a repository of cultural heritage since 1814. So there are so many things inside the museum, as it is popularly called by Jadughar, right? So of course, the research can establish many roads, and untold history that will help us to promote our tangible and intangible heritage, the glory of India as well. So please take care of all the artifacts and the legacy of this museum, and kindly do visit our museum.